Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Pokémon Go on Android. First, you'll want to download the official Pokémon Go application directly from the Google Play Store. Make sure your Android device has both GPS and a stable internet connection enabled for the best experience. Once installed, simply open the app and create a new account, or log in using your existing Google or Pokémon Trainer Club credentials to begin your adventure. Now, let's talk about catching Pokémon. When a wild Pokémon appears on your map, simply tap on it to start an encounter. To catch it, swipe a Pokéball towards the Pokémon on your screen. Aim for the center of the shrinking circle for a better chance. You can also use items like raspberries to make Pokémon easier to capture, or pineapple berries to double the candy you receive. Pokémon Go encourages you to explore your surroundings. As you walk around in the real world, new Pokémon will appear, and you'll discover Pokéstops. Spin these Pokéstops to collect valuable items such as Pokéballs, potions, and eggs. You'll also find gyms, which are locations where you can battle other trainers' Pokémon, defend your team's territory, and earn daily rewards. To strengthen your team, you'll need to train your Pokémon. Use Stardust and Candy, which you earn from catching Pokémon, to power them up and increase their combat power. When you have enough candy, you can evolve certain Pokémon into more powerful forms. Don't forget to engage in exciting trainer battles against other players, or team up with friends for challenging raid battles to catch legendary Pokémon.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.